Hey, told you guys to stay tuned and see what I'm gonna do with this chicken that the missus cut up. So first I'm gonna start by putting pouring 1 pack of Goya in it. Oh, this is gonna be some honey lemon pepper chicken. I'm gonna put some coastal salt, just put it for your taste. Garlic powder, excuse me, not garlic salt, because you already have enough salt in here. We're going to be frying this chicken. Oh, let me grab that. And I gotta put my favorite hot sauce. Use whatever hot sauce you prefer. And I got 2 eggs already beat it up so I can get it nice and crispy. I'm just gonna pour that on top of there. Pour that in there with it. I would let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Just have 2 cups of plain white flour. I'm gonna add a little pepper in there. Garlic powder. And coastal salt. Just stir it up. I already have the grease preheated to 350. So I'm just gonna come over here. Put the chicken in the flour like so. Be nice and extra crispy. So while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce for my chicken. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the lemon off. We just want, so that be that nice and zesty. We'll put some of the nice zest that you're looking for. That should be about enough. And I'm just going to cut it open. Squeeze it in the pot. I'm going to add my honey. And we're just going to turn it on low. And we're just going to cook until it comes to a simmer. Man, look how pretty and crispy that chicken is. slices of flour. You want your honey and lemon to come to a slight boil just like that. Once it comes to a boil like that, you can go ahead and cut it off. And just drizzle it across the chicken. So we just go drizzle it on there like that. Just look at that honey roll down on there. Thanks for checking out this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Hey, make sure you hit that like button and smash that subscribe button if you ain't already subscribed. And drop some comments below what y'all want to see coming next. Peace out.